Music has become much more technical over the years as technology has improved. Our students need to be exposed to the best production equipment and recording equipment and technology that will give them access to scholars and musicians around the world. This facility will do that. We've invested more than $125 million just over the last 7 years in academic spaces alone. And I think that's a great commitment to surround our students with the best and the best learning environments, the best faculty, but spaces are so critically important, and this facility certainly helps. We want to keep our campus new for our students. This campus is a beautiful spot. Many of our prospective students tell us that they come here because of the beauty and the functionality of our spaces and our grounds. We need to keep that up. We have a great place, but it requires a lot of updating to stay up with the trends and the currents, and we're doing that.